Now in second part we discuss about amphibians. Amphibians are the animals such as frogs, toads, neets and salamanders can live on land as well as in water. Means amphibians live on land as well as water are called amphibians. Now amphibians breathe with both lungs and skin because when they are present inside the water, so they breathe through their moist skin, but when they are present on the surface of land, they use their lungs to breathe or respire. Now the eggs laid by frogs hatch and tadpoles are born. Tadpoles are the babies of frogs. Tadpoles breathe with the help of gills and can live only in water. It undergoes several changes and turns into an adult frog. Here you can differentiate the behavior between tadpole and a frog. Tadpoles breathe with the help of gills because they cannot use lungs because they live only in water, but frogs breathe with the help of lungs as well as skin. Next, a frog is a very long and sticky tongue. Here is a one question: how frog catch their prey? A frog has a very long and sticky tongue. Whenever it spots an insect nearby, it sticks out its tongue. The insect gets stuck on its sticky tongue, which is rolled back into the mouth, and frog catches its prey. Now we discuss the part time, please. A. Match the following. Invertebrates. Invertebrates are those which do not have a backbone. So here cockroach is an invertebrate because it do not have a backbone. Next is shell. Shells are present on the surface of tortoise. Next, scale. Scales are present on the surface of reptiles. For example, when we talk about a crocodile, snakes. Next is reptiles. Reptiles are the cold-blooded animals. Chameleon are the camouflage because it changes its color according to their surroundings. B. Name the following. A type of animal that live in water. The answer is fish. Animal that do not have a backbone. So these are the invertebrate animals. Special holes present on the body of an insect for breathing, that is spiracles. Fourth, amphibians breathe with the help of this organ when they are on land. Amphibians live both on land and water. They use lungs when they come on land. They use gills when they are present inside the water. So the answer is lungs. Animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Next we talk about birds. Birds are the warm-blooded animal. Means they regulate their body temperature according to their surroundings. Birds have a lightweight bodies and their bones are hollow from inside, which help them to fly. Next are the mammals. Mammals. Some animals give birth to babies. These babies grow inside their mothers' bodies till they are ready to born. Once born, the baby feed on their mother's milk are called mammals. Here we discuss some characteristics of mammals. Mammals have well-developed brains like human beings. They reproduce their young ones and feed on their mother's milk. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. They have hairs on their bodies. Next is Most of the mammals live on land, but some mammals such as whales and dolphins live in water, and these are called aquatic mammals. Mammals breathe air through lungs because mostly the mammals live on land, so they use lungs to respiration. Aquatic mammals such as whales, dolphins also breathe through their lungs. Therefore, they keep coming to the water surface to breathe in air. Now we recall this chapter. First of all, we classify the animals into two categories, that is invertebrate and vertebrates. What are the main difference between vertebrates and invertebrates are? In vertebrates there is a absence of backbone, but in vertebrate there is a presence of backbone. Next, further, vertebrates are divided into 5 categories, that is fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Fish live in water and respire through their gills. Next is reptiles. Reptiles are the special family of animals, and they are cold-blooded animals and cannot control their body temperature according to their surroundings. The main feature of the reptiles are scales, that scales present on the surface of body which prevent the loss of water. Next is amphibians. Amphibians live both on land and water, so for respiration they use both lungs and moist skin. Next is birds. Birds are the warm-blooded animals, and they regulate their body temperature according to their surroundings. Next is mammals. In mammals, mainly the example is human beings, and in mammals all the features of human beings are considered. For example, well-developed brain, hairs on the body, and they reproduce by giving their young ones birth. Next is mammals are warm-blooded animals, and so on. After that, let's practice and we discuss the fill-ups and true-false. First is a reptile is a dash animal. So the reptile is the cold-blooded animals, and who are the warm-blooded animals? Birds. The body of a snake is covered with scales because snake is a reptile. A dash can change its body color according to the surroundings. So, chameleon change their body color according to their surroundings. A tadpole breathes with the help of gills only because tadpole present inside the water, not on land. A dash reproduce by giving birth to baby. So, cow is a mammal. So, the answer is cow. Dash is an aquatic mammal. Whale. Next is true false. All reptiles have 4 legs. Yes, except snake, but here we feel the answer is true. All reptiles can live on land and in water. False. A baby of a lizard is called tadpole. False. A baby of a frog is called tadpole. Mammals breathe through their lungs only. Yes, because they live on a land. An insect body is usually divided into head, body and tail. So the answer is correct, true. I hope you will understand this chapter. Thank you.